going on, guys? Got a 2016 GTS here, and we're doing a shifter swap into our numeric shifter. And so we're gonna do a before and after. This is before the shifter. Here's the throws. This is the GTS. Just feels super flimsy. This is the play. It's not going side to side. You put it in gear. This is the play. Just, you can feel that plastic like you're about to break something. Especially when you're throwing it in there. You can feel that flex, that more bending.
So we got the main part of it off. You can see how gross and plastic this thing is.
You see the plastic, all plastic bushings. You look at this play, side-to-side play.
Yeah.
With me holding the cables down.
We're gonna get rid of all of that. Put it on bearings. It's gonna be super smooth.
All those plastic bushings everywhere. This is the flex feel that you feel. Come from this angle, you can see it right here. Whenever I put it into gear and then you kind of push, you see all that flex in there. It just moves all this plastic around. It has no stiffness there, no rigidity.
All right, so here we're gonna compare the numeric shifter to the stock. See, everything pretty much here is plastic. All the bushings are plastic. That's why you get really sloppy and long throws, and all that play and the flexes in the gears. On the numeric, you're gonna get all billet aluminum. It's all on stainless steel bearings. I mean, this thing is really rigid. The 2mm spring is gonna be a little more tight than what it comes with, so the snapback to center is gonna be really quick, precise, and it's really a game changer for the shifting mechanism itself, just to get rid of all this, plastic slop and really upgrade to the rigid aluminum. So let's put this in and let's see the difference between the throws. So we got the numeric shifter in. Let's see how short these throws are.
Here's forward and aft.
I mean,
this is halfway threaded, so you couldn't even lower the throws if you want to. It's adjustable here, so you can have it more towards stock, more shorter throws, but you can already feel those throws.
And this
Plus,
is just,
I put it in gear.
And this is only with stock cables too. I mean, we're reducing the throw by at least 35–40% here.
It goes all the way up to 45%, but right now I'd say it's about 35–40.
There it is. Let's get
nice
this
precision shifts.
Let's get this bad boy back together.
Got that.